So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can verify your Bitget account. So guys, if you have yet to verify your Bitget account and you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So guys, all we need to do is first of all, just go ahead and open the app. Then once you're here, tap on the home page over here. That's at the top lower bar. And now just go ahead and look at the top left corner. And once you tap there, you'll find many options over here. You just need to go ahead and tap on your account. And now you'll find even more options like wallet name, profile picture, private key, backup, mnemonics, Google Authenticator, and verify authorization. So you just need to go ahead and tap on verify authorization. And through here, you'll find your authorized project and your authorized tokens, and you can just verify your projects and tokens. And also, if you go to Google Authenticator over here, you just need to download Google Authenticator for asset security, and this way you can verify your Bitget account. So guys, there you go. That's how you verify your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.